Good morning children, how are you? So today we are going to start with the asanas that are in standing pose. First is Tadasana, that is very good for gaining height. So children, you can do at home Tadasana. So I am going to start with Tadasana. First take a deep breath in and take your arms up, come up on your toes, stretch your body up, stay there. You can breathe in and breathe out little while. Stay there. Slowly come down and breathe out. Okay, this is Tadasana. Once again, we will practice for the Tadasana. From the side, take your arms up, come up on your toes, take a deep breath in, stretch your body up, stay there. Slowly come down and breathe out. Bring your arms down. Okay, this is Tadasana. Next is Triyakasana. Take your hands forward. Take a deep breath in. While going back, you have to breathe out. Again, breathe in. And going back, that time you have to breathe out. You have to go as much as you can go back. Your feet should be straight. Only you have to turn from your waist. While coming forward, breathe in. Okay, this was Triyakasana. Now Triyak Tadasana. Once again, you will take your hands up, stretch your body up and bend sideward. Triyak Tadasana. Once again. Now you will bend other side. Arms should be up. Breathe in. While going down, that time you have to breathe out. Bend as much as you can bend down. Bend from your waist. This is Triyak Tadasana. Next is Trikonasana. Feet apart, arms at the side, bends toward your right side. Keep your body straight, arms straight. Turn your foot while going down. That time you have to breathe in. Be in this posture. Breathe out. Now left side. Bend down. Look up towards your hand. Feel stretch on your waist. This is Trikonasana. Now we are going to do Konasana. Same way, you will stand feet apart, arms at the side. You have to touch your alternate toe. Then other side. Stay there for a while. Then change it to other side. You have to touch your alternate toe with your hand. Knee should be straight. You will not bend your knees. Knee should be straight. This is Konasana. In asana, you have to stay there. Exercise. In exercise we were doing earlier. You have seen my earlier videos. You have seen exercises also there. There we have done alternate toe touching. That we have to do little bit fast. But in asanas we have to do it slowly. Okay. Now we are going to do Padhastasana. Stretch your body up. Take a deep breath in. Stretch up as much as you can. And while going down, you have to breathe out.
Try to touch your head on your knees and place your hands near to your feet on the floor. Stay in this position. Keep your knees straight. You will not bend your knees down. Place your hand and try to touch your forehead on your knees.
This is Padhastasana. Once again, I am going to perform this Padhastasana. If you are not able to touch your forehead, your knees, you can go up to this much only.
No problem. One time you can practice like this. Second time you will have flexibility and you can touch your forehead on your knees. Stay there for 30 seconds.
Then come up. And later, after practicing, you can increase your time for staying. Now we are going to practice Ardha Chakrasana. Stand straight, place your hand on your back and take a deep breath in. Breathe out while coming back. You have to bend back as much as you can. You have to place your hands on your back, give support to your back, and then take a deep breath in and go back. Come forward and breathe out. So these were 7 asanas in standing posture. Hope you have enjoyed. So all of you will practice at home all these asanas. Goodbye. Good day.